Hi everybody! Today we're going to play with the Doggy Doctor Play-Doh set, which I think is really fun. And we have here a puppy. Comes with a puppy with a couple molds on it. Look, this is one of my favorite parts right here. You like this? And can you see? It's super cute! The tail wags! Alright, so it comes with that. There's some molds that we're going to investigate, and then it comes with a doctor's bag. So we're going to talk about that in just a few seconds. Alright, boys and girls, we're going to play with the head first. And all you do is take the head off, put some Play-Doh in it. I put white on this side, you'll find out in a second, and red on that side. So I go ahead and push it down like this. Oh, look at the dog and the teeth. I'm going to remove the teeth because guess what's going to happen? Push this down. Ew, the dog has earwax. Oh, Ucky. Gotta have a good listening doggy. So we're going to remove the earwax. Good boy. And then if I push down on the head, look, there's his tongue. Hi, boy. You be a good boy. You're not feeling very good? Well, I think we need to take the doctor's bag out now. All right, puppy. You're not doing very good. Let's go ahead and check your heartbeat. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to listen to his heart on his back. Oh, good strong heartbeat. But it looks like he's going to need some medicine. So I'm going to remove this off of the doctor's bag. And inside I've already put some purple medicine, which is my favorite. And let's give him some purple medicine to make him feel better. Oh, good boy. Good boy. All right, it looks like he's going to need a Band-Aid. And we just put a Band-Aid right into here in the doctor's bag mold. Pushed it down, and look at that. Super cute. Here's a little Band-Aid to feel all better. Alright, boy, you have your super cute glittery Band-Aid on. It's time for you to have a bone. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some white Play-Doh right here, and I'm going to squish it down on his back. Squish it in there nice and good. And all you do is pull it up. Look how easy that is. Oh, boy, you get a bone. There you go. Make it all super cute. Isn't that so fun? I love it. And then when a puppy is feeling all better, guess what he goes in the closets and gets and chews all up? That's right. What do you think that is right there? Huh? What do you think that is? It's a sock. So again, I'm just going to take some Play-Doh, mesh it in there, pull it up, and I got a sock. And you know what's awesome too? Is that we can just take this and put it in the boy's mouth. No, puppy. Looks like you're feeling better today. So anyways, thanks for playing with the Doggy Doctor. I give it 5 stars. Cleanup is pretty easy. I'll pull this up here. It's easy to get the Play-Doh out. Not too bad. It comes with lots of fun molds. We have 2 on the back, and there's a sneaky one right here. There's a mold right there for, it looks like a good piece of meat for the doggy to eat. And then that's about it. It comes with the doctor bag, and we can see here's heart rate, and of course the syringe. So 5 stars, super fun. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know, and let us know what your favorite Play-Doh is. This is vintage, so we only can get it on eBay, but boy is it worth all the fun. Thanks for watching. Well, guess we gotta call Doc McStuffins to the rescue because the Doggy Doctor isn't feeling good. Oh, Doc, you missed your stop. Oh well, have a great day, everybody.
Thanks for watching this video. Now, please remember to subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see new videos each and every day. Also, take a look at some of these videos in the background. Some of them may interest you. Some of them deal with Play-Dohs, and some of them are just simple toy reviews. So take a look and see if there's any that you might like. And if you have any suggestions, please let us know. Take care and have a great day.